Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope all of you are fine, safe and enjoying the process of virtual classes. Today our topic is earthquake. In the first lecture of geography, you have learned about earthquakes. Earthquakes are the sudden shaking of the ground caused by the passage of seismic waves through the earth's rock. सेस्मिक वेव्स दरअसल एनर्जी की वो लहरें हैं जो कि ज़मीन के अंदरूनी हिस्से में सफ़र करती हैं और ज़लज़ले का बायस बनती हैं. Earthquakes cause bring disaster to land and settlements. There are some impact of earthquakes on the lives, terrain and settlements in a number of ways. Number 1, negative impact. It can cause large scale damage to lives and buildings. It can obstruct river channels, so destroy the village on their way. It can cause fire ignited, rehabilitation of infrastructure. People can cost billions of dollars. There are few positive impacts of earthquake. Occurrence of minor earthquake reduce the chances of earthquakes of bigger magnitude. It can expose rich mineral deposit. It can provide information for researchers about the internal structure of earth. आपको मालूम होगा पाकिस्तान में 2005 में एक ज़लज़ला आया था जिसका मैग्नीट्यूड 7.6 था और जिससे 83,000 लोगों की डेथ हुई थी और ये बड़े पैमाने पर बिल्डिंग्स की तबाही का भी बाहिस बना था. सुनामी. What is tsunami? Sea waves. It is the sea wave that is caused by an undersea earthquake or by the eruption of an oceanic volcano. ये दरअसल समंदर के अंदर बर्पा होने वाला एक ज़लज़ला है. इसकी रफ्तार नहायत तेज़ तरीन होती है और जब ये साहिल के नज़दीक पहुंचता है तो सतह समंदर से 20 मीटर ऊंचा हो जाता है और इस तरह नज़दीक तरीन तमाम एरिया इसकी ज़द में आ जाता है. एक सुनामी दिसंबर 2004 में सुमात्रा के साहिल पर रुनुमा हुआ था जो कि 30 मीटर ऊंचा था और 1,70,000 लोगों की डेथ का बायस बना था. तकरीबन 14 कंट्रीज़ इसकी जद में आए थे और बड़े पैमाने पर तबाही का बायस बना था. देयर आर सम स्टेप्स टू मिनिमाइज द लॉस ऑफ लाइव्स एंड डैमेजेस. नंबर 1, measures to mitigate the damage of an earthquake. Buildings and structure should only be constructed on stable soil. Public authorities should plan ahead and be prepared with emergency supplies. There are some measures to be taken during an earthquake. Number 1, if you are indoor, stay indoor. If you are outdoor, stay outdoor. And if you are indoor, stand against a wall, get under study table. Stay away from windows and outside door. Do not use candle fire. Stay away from buildings and electric poles. Dear student, I sure today you have understand this lecture well. Now come on the exercise. Page number 14. First question, fill in the blanks. Second question, choose the correct answer. You have to do it yourself. Please be careful while doing work. Question number 3, give brief answers. 1, 2 and 3 I have already done. Question number 4, define a tsunami, how it is caused. इसका आंसर पेज नंबर 12 पे है। Tsunami is a sea wave that is caused by an undersea earthquake or by the eruption of an oceanic volcano. It travels across the oceanic surface at a fast speed. Next, question number 5. What is a seismograph? इसका आंसर पेज नंबर 10। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. What is seismograph? इसका आंसर पेज नंबर 10 पे है। Earthquake vibration in the ground can be detected and recorded by using an instrument called seismograph. Seismograph records motion by tracing wave-shaped lines on paper. Question number 4 and second. Suggest ways and steps to minimize the damaging effect of earthquake. इसके आंसर पेज नंबर 13 पे। Steps to minimize loss of lives and damage. Number 1 point, measures to mitigate the damage of an earthquake. Number 2, measures to be taken during an earthquake. Page number 13 and page number 14.